Hey, I have disassembled a Puig light, auxiliary light 2.0, because there was lots of condensation inside. So this one didn't work. It started shining in blue. Let me show you another light which actually still works. So this one I marked good. You can see here inside there's lots of condensation. So I guess this light would have died quite soon. However, it still works. This one didn't work recently, so I decided to disassemble that one. I used lots of isopropanol and I started cleaning that. My goal is to disassemble that, to remove this board from the inside. It was kind of difficult because everything is glued together using a silicone. But I managed to do that using this kind of, alcohol. I put it around everywhere, so it took me like half an hour, 1 hour to disassemble that one. But the point is that even if it was like completely fully sealed, the condensation would anyway be inside. So my goal is for the future to drill the hole because I have a new set of lights, much bigger, cheaper, also with E-mark. So you have E-mark, and I live in Germany, so that's very important to have that one. So I want to be street legal, completely street legal. So what I will do, I will do the experiment with this one to drill the hole. Even if it doesn't work, I just want to drill it to see how good this metal case is to drill the holes inside. Or maybe I will do that on the lens, and then I would install a drain plug, so like 2 holes, 2 drain plugs, so I will be able to heat up the lamp and then remove any kind of remaining condensation inside. And I will repeat the same process in this fully working light, but as you see, there is condensation inside, so I definitely would like to clean them. Of course, they are not mounted on my motorcycle anyway, so this is just for experimental purposes, because I have the second set of lights, which are much larger, brighter, and way cheaper. Although I really like this kind of compact design of this one. So I'll be doing this experiment to get some decent results. I hope that I will be able to remove the condensation from the inside, and then I'll repeat the same process in my current setup that is installed on my motorcycle. So cheers, thank you, bye.